Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have today is some pressure cooker ribs. You can do this in your Instant Pot or pressure cooker. I have like a power cooker. I think it's pretty much the same as like an Instant Pot or whatever. These came out like a while ago though. But anyway, that's what I'm going to use. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to clean my ribs. I'm going to rinse them with cold water and try to like pull off that back. It's like I don't know what it is. It's like a film or something on the back. So, hold on. So much sound. Hold on. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm just rinsing my ribs, trying to make sure they're clean, and I'm going to try my best and remove the film that's sometimes on the back of ribs. This one had it a little bit, I think. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing here. Also, I'm just going to be seasoning these with my same seasonings that I always use, which is usually seasoning salt if I have it, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and maybe Italian seasoning. Those are the main ones that I use for everything. Everything never tastes the same. Everything always tastes different because everything is different. So even though I use the same seasonings all the time, everything, it does have its own unique flavor still. Oh yeah, also I'm just going to put these in my pressure cooker for 30 minutes. And yeah, for 30 minutes, and I'll add a little bit of water, and that's it. So everything will go by really quick as you watch the video after this point here of me washing them and seasoning them and everything like that. Once they're done in the pressure cooker, what I do is I take them out of the pressure cooker and I put them on a cookie sheet with foil, and I will broil them until they're nice and brown and bubbly and stuff like that, so we get that nice, like, not mushy rib, or like a regular rib. But this is the fastest way to make ribs if you're low on time and you just need something for dinner right away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and watch how I make these pressure cooker ribs.